Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate farmers insurance policy payments in myAutoplay step by step clearly. To activate farmers insurance policy payments in myAutoplay, start by opening your web browser. Go to the myAutoplay website. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Payments section on the dashboard. Click on the Payments tab to access payment options. Select Activate Policy Payments from the available choices. You will see a list of your active insurance policies. Choose the policy you wish to activate for payments. Click on the Activate button next to your selected policy. Follow the prompts to enter your payment information. You may need to provide bank account or credit card details. After entering your payment information, review the terms and conditions. Check the box indicating you agree to the terms. Click on the Submit button to finalize the activation. You will receive a confirmation message once the activation is successful. Make sure to record any confirmation number provided for your records. Your farmer's insurance policy payments are now activated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.